welcome back to Five Links Garage, and today is a special day because we are opening up boxes. Yes, we have gotten items from our viewers to be able to open up on video and hopefully use in our projects. So I have a couple boxes here. We're just going to go through and work them out. Now we're going to do this real quick. We're not going to spend a lot of time on this episode, only because I had to turn the ACs off in here just to be able to have decent audio, and it's a little bit warm outside. Yeah, it's summertime. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to the first one. Each one actually has a little letter, which is awesome. I do thank you. And let's go ahead and start on the left side and we'll work our way to the right side. All right, so first one here is, holy guacamole. All right, well, I want to put these guys on. I don't really need them, but I'm going to wear them just because it makes life a lot easier. All right, so this one is from Mr. Dave. Actually, this is the same dude. You've probably seen him on the last couple of episodes. One, we went to Precision Dynamics. Check them out. Link down below. Awesome place. Totally fascinating about how they actually make really small parts. All with computers, all CNC'd. It is awesome place. Check it out. Link down below. Also, let's see here. Hey, Mike, I enjoyed watching your bumper build. And since you need red D-rings to complete your build, I sent you a new set of red D-rings. What's wrong with my yellow ones? Okay, the yellow does look a little tacky, and red probably would look a whole lot better. So we'll go ahead and put these guys on there. So they are a 2-pack of heavy-duty 3/4 inch shackles. So, tell you what, yellow, red. Which one do you like? Kind of like the red. Thank you, Mr. Dave. Let's see, what else did you write here? I wish you nothing but success with your growing YouTube channel, and if I can help out in any way, please feel free to reach out. You darn right I will, man, because you are awesome, man. Also, check out his Gladiator, too. That's a couple videos back. Awesome thing, man. And actually, we'll get to some of these other boxes about that Gladiator. But, yeah, dude, let me open this guy up. Need my knife. My knife. Bam! Ooh, they are. Ooh, even got plastic on it. Nice. Dude, that's awesome. Look, it's got rubber isolators here. And what that is for, and also a plastic piece here, is when you're sitting there, danka. Oh, it sounds like this. Yeah, need to put those on that one. But, dude, awesome, man. So thankful. All right. As soon as this video is over, I'm putting these guys on. Thank you, Mr. Dave. That's awesome. All right, what else we got here? Got another one here from looks like Mr. Eric. All right, let's see. Dear Mike, Eric here, long-time listener, first-time caller, or really long-time watcher, first-time writer. Dude, awesome reference to Grosse Pointe Blank. Check out that movie, it's awesome. Anyway, I wanted to let you know that I really enjoyed your video regarding the skid steer titled What to Look Out For When Renting a Ragged Out Skid Steer. Contractors just don't care. And they don't. Not even a little bit. They are going to get it back as fast as they can because time is money for them. But if you are a contractor out there, try to care at least a little bit. Check out the video down below on that one. That thing was nasty. I spent so much time cleaning that thing out because I didn't want it to overheat. And I don't see how it didn't overheat before we cleaned it out. Let's see here. With that, I thought I would send you something to remember your skid steer rental experience. In the box, you will find 2 items. Honestly, as I write this note, I have forgotten if I labeled them 1 or 2 or A or B. Either way, please open the first item, which is not so neatly wrapped, and then open the second item, which is more neatly wrapped. It should be self-explanatory. Hope you enjoy. Sincerely, Mr. Eric. Thank you, Mr. Eric. I got do I have your return? So what I'm going to do after this is over, I'm going to go back online and find each one of these and write them a personal note. Don't really have much to give out right now. Oh, man. Uh-oh, he's been getting Amazon stuff. Sorry, couldn't resist myself. All right, what else we got? More bubbles. Dude, you went too far on the wrapping. Seriously. Okay, I'm going to say this is the not so wrap. Yes, that's paper towels, guys. Not so wrapped up. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Even comes with dirt. Dude, that's my little skid steer. And yes, it's full of dirt, just like the other one. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Eric. What else you got here? All right, what else you got? AM. Not sure what that stands for. But it is a little better wrapped. I bet you his wife did this one. So what else we got here? And the tissues seem to be clean, so thank you, sir. Two just skid steers. Nice. One before and after. One clean, one dirty. That's awesome. That's gonna go on the shelf back there. That's awesome. Thank you, Mr. Eric. Oh man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, keyword for today, awesome. All right, so I do have 2 other boxes here. I'll put these guys over here. I need to get those guys. Oh man, I already got to repair it because the contractor just doesn't care. The piston fell out. All right, might need a tool for that one, but there you go. Before and after. That's awesome. Anyway, all right, that brings me up to these 2 boxes here. Now, these 2 actually came from Mr. Dave, so when they kind of send the D-rings, only because he was parts left over. And he asked me to figure out a good home for it, sell them up, whatever, I don't know. But first item, boom. This one here is a rear track bar bracket. Now, when you start lifting vehicles, like the old CJ back here, you need to get your geometry right. Now, on this particular one, on his Gladiator, has a track bar because it's a 4-link. You got to be able to keep it from going side to side. This right here is a bracket. Bolts up, and it actually lowers it down to be able to set up correctly for your track bar. Now, if you need this, contact me on 5lakesgarage@gmail.com, and we will be able to work something out and hopefully give this thing a good use. Either that or it's going to sit on the shelf for a really long time and then get thrown away. We don't want to do that because we want to recycle things. We always take stuff out of the trash and make good things about with them. So if you have a Gladiator or a was an LJ, I think this is the new ones. I don't deal with new stuff. I got old stuff. But anyway, if you need that, contact me. We will try to set something up. Hopefully you're local because shipping costs will suck. Anyway, this guy right here is the front control arm geometry correction brackets. So this would be for the front side. That's for the rear. This is for the front. But look at these guys. Holy crap. So anyway, it's got multiple holes here, so you can do different heights. It get everything back into square. Now, Mr. Dave has a 2-inch lift on his Gladiator. It's a Rubicon, and this is supposed to put everything back into place. I believe he put these on, didn't like them 100%, so he got a different aftermarket one, put that on. He loves that. So these are extra. So if you need these guys, just hit me up, 5lakesgarage@gmail, and we'll work something out. Now, part number here is RS62118B for Bravo. And the other one is RK07360K, as in kilo. So anyway, if you need any of this stuff, let me know. We will work out a plan, work out a deal. We can work something out. I'd much rather be out there on a rig rather than sitting on the shelf or sitting on the table or whichever. Hey, look, I can see the camera now since I don't have the glasses on. So, you get back out here, before and after. And so I guess one more time, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. If you want to send something to the channel, we'll open it up, kind of have a good time with it. It is P.O. Box 821, look down below, 821 Holly Springs, North Carolina, 27640. I hope that's what it is, because that's what's going to be written across the screen right here. There you go. All right, so if you want to send something to me, go ahead and put it in the drop box, and we will open it up. Figure I'll give you a real quick update on things that are happening. I'm able to walk again, which is awesome. I'm back in the shop. I had to work on some steering with this guy. Kind of missed some bolts, and everything was a little loose, and there's a couple of different things I need to work on this thing, but I feel safe with it enough to actually drive it down the road. So hopefully, before the season's out, I'll be driving this thing. And hopefully taking it to Uwharrie and working out my leg a little bit. I'm going to call it PT. It's my physical therapy. We're pushing that clutch up and down because it is a manual clutch. There's no hydraulics. It's just a Z-rail. And yeah, she gets a little strain. So that's for this guy. Also have a camera over there that I'm going to put on the Tacoma. So in case I get an accident or my daughter Ray gets an accident, we'll be able to find out exactly what happened and we don't have to worry about hearsays. So anyway, we're going to have a dash cam put on there, and that should be awesome. Quick update on the shop. I got insulation, which is awesome. Holy crap. Finally took everything off the walls. That's one reason why I haven't really had too many of these videos here. Going up and down the ladder with my leg, it does suck. But it is doable, and that's what we're doing. So anyway, once again, if you want to send anything to the channel, P.O. Box 821, Holly Springs, North Carolina, 27640. And if you have any questions, hit it on the comments. I love to answer them. Until next time, take it easy, have fun. Go ahead and send something over to the channel because it would be awesome. Thank you, Mr. Dave. Thank you, Mr. Eric, for the things that you actually sent. I'm going to go ahead and put these on the shelf and put this on the truck. And catch you guys later. Hopefully with a fish in my hand. We'll find out. Take it easy. Bye.